today's review is going to be for this Kitchen Mama Yes You Can electric can opener. This can opener is a one-touch can opener. Now I received both the large size and the small size. So to use this, we'll need to put in some batteries, and they both use AA batteries. The bigger one takes 4, also the smaller takes 4. So once you've put in the batteries and you've closed back the compartments, you can go ahead and use this. You see, it's fairly simple to put in those batteries. Cover, and then it's time to use. Place it onto your can, press, and let that can opener do the job. This can opener was very easy to use. So, Kitchen Mama has partnered with me to give away one to one lucky person living out here in the US. So, to qualify for this giveaway, you must leave a comment saying where do you live, what state you live in, what do you like about this, and you'll be entered to win one. So good luck to everyone, and thank you for watching. Bye!